Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we have some new glitches to go over as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright, so first up, let's take a quick look at our insert schedule, and today on July the 3rd, we should be receiving the new July P&G inserts. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons. Now this is the second time that I am trying to do this voiceover because the last time that I did it, the video was just too long because we have a ton of coupons today to go over. We have a lot of really good deals and we have glitches. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right in. Guys, pay attention because I have already clipped my coupons to this account. So I'm going to go through, show you all what I did clip, point out a few that I decided not to clip to my account, and give you all a heads up on all of these deals. So go ahead and clip your 5 off 25 for Saturday. We have a 4 off 2 for the Pantene products. Now we received a total of 4 Pantene coupons. We have a 1 off 1, we have this 4 off 2, and we have a 5 off 3, and then we have a 5 off 2 for the Pantene Nutrients product. Now the Pantene Nutrients is not attaching to anything as of right now. We'll have to scan that in the store. The 4 off 2, I think so far is the best deal. So that's the one that I'm going to clip to my account, and I'm going to hold off on clipping the 1 off 1 and the 5 off 3. So the Pantene products are priced at $5 each. Pick up 2, use this coupon, you're going to pay $6 for 2, and keep in mind we still have that P&G spend promotion going on this week, so I will have some scenarios coming up here shortly for you all to do as well. Alright, Yo Plate, I clipped that one. We have 1 off 1 for the Breyers ice cream or the Hershey's syrup. So the ice cream is priced at $5. After the coupon, you pay $4. The Hershey's syrups are priced at $2.65, so after the coupon, you pay $1.65. We have the next 2 coupons are basically buy one, get one free. Old Spice, we have 5 off 2. These products are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $5 for 2. We have 3 off 2 for the Aussie products. These start out at $3, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3 for 2. So some good deals there. We have 1 off 3 for the Dr. Pepper products, the 12 packs. So these are on sale this week, 3 for $12. So after that coupon, you're going to pay $11 for 3. We have 1 off 2 for the Gain dish liquids. These are priced at $2.35. So pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $3.70 for 2. And I do believe that that DG store coupon on Gain products expired on Saturday, which is a big bummer, but hopefully, fingers crossed, we will get another Gain DG store coupon that we can use this week. Alright, moving on down, we have Body Armor, we have General Mills cereal. I will say on the General Mills cereal coupons, y'all check your accounts and see if you have any higher value coupons, because we have this 1 off 2, but on some accounts a few weeks back, I know I received a 75-cent off one on one account. I had a 1 off 1 on another account, so just make sure that you check those before you clip this 1 off 2. Alright, next up, Sherman bath tissue. So these are on sale. The Sherman Essentials are on sale for $4.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.95. We have 1 off 3 for the Pringles. Those are pretty pricey at $1.95 each now. So pick up 3, use the coupon. You're going to pay $4.85 for 3. We have buy 4, get 1 free on the Gatorade. Those are $1.35 each. 1 off 1 for the All and Snuggle products. So these are on sale this week for $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. So if y'all need All and Snuggle, go ahead and pick it up this week because those prices will jump right back up to $5 and $6 each. It's crazy. These prices are really getting to me. It is really crazy. Alright, 2 off 1 for the Gain products. These are priced at $7.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. We have Huggies wipes 1 off 2 and Downy products 1 off 1. We have 1 off 2 for the Mr. Clean products. So if you want to pick up the multi-purpose cleaner, those are priced at $3.25. Pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50 for 2. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers found in the dollar aisle for $1. So pick up 2 of those, use the coupon, you're going to pay $1 for 2. Next up, we have Puffs, 1 off 1 for the Puffs Facial Tissue Multi-Pack. So if you want to pick up the 4-pack of Puffs tissues, those are priced at $4.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.95. However, this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the Puffs single cubes. They're priced at $1.70. So pick up 1, use the coupon, you're going to pay just 70 cents. So great little filler item, and again, another great P&G product. Alright, we have 3 off 1 for the Gain Flings, 2 off 1 for the Tide laundry products there, 2 off 1 for the Downy products, the larger ones that are like $10.95. Here's a good coupon. We have 2 off 1 for the Febreze plug-in warmers. We haven't had this coupon in a while, so it's good to see this one back. These are priced at $3.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.25. Alright, next up we have a 4 off 2 for the Colgate products. Now keep in mind we still have that instant savings on Colgate, Palmolive, Suavitel, Irish Spring. There's a lot included in that instant savings deal. For when you spend $10 on those products, you're going to instantly save $3 at the register. And we did receive quite a few new coupons that will stack with that instant savings. So I'll have y'all some deals coming up here shortly. But for now, we have this 4 off 2 for the Colgate products. It's basically a buy one, get one free. It's working on the $4 toothpaste, so pick 2 up, use the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2. We have this 1 off 1 for the Purex liquid laundry detergent. This one does expire today. I think we received this one on Thursday. I've just been super busy with the yard sale. It has been non-stop, and I am very tired, so I did not get to go couponing yesterday at DG, which we did have some really good deals, so hopefully y'all got some really good deals yesterday. Alright, next up we have 1 off 1 for the Suavitel. These are priced at $3.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $2.50, and again included in instant savings. We have 1 off 1 for the Swiffer. 50 cents off for the Crest Mouthwash. These are priced at $4.25, so after the coupon you're going to pay $3.75. But this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the travel size Crest Mouthwash for $1. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. So that's good. We have 50 cents off 1 for the Palmolive dish soap. Again, included in instant savings. These are priced at $2.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just $2. We have 1 off 1 for the Bounty Essential paper towels. These are on sale this week for $4.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.95. We have 1 off 1 for the Dawn. 1 off 1 for the Bounty paper towels, 6 single plus rolls. 1 off 1 for the Pine Saw Cleaner. These are priced at $3.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. We have 1 off 2 for the Olay products. So these start out at $6 each. So pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $11 for 2. However, this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the Olay 2-count bar soaps. These are priced at $2.85 each. So pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $4.60 for 2 of the 2-count Olay bar soaps. Alright, moving on down, we have Totino's, Nature's Valley, Folgers. We have 1 off 1 for the Tide Simply. Those start out at $7.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50. We have 3 off 1 for the Arm & Hammer laundry detergents. These are priced at $9.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50. We have 2 off 2 for the Cascade dishwasher tablets. Now the 13 count, those are on sale this week, 2 for $8. They're normally $4.25 each. So pick up 2 at $8, use this coupon this week, and you're going to pay $6 for 2. Not a bad deal at $3 each. Moving on down, we have Safeguard. We have Loves. Now, we did receive quite a few new Loves coupons. They're not really great coupons or high-value coupons, but if you do need diapers, just go through and see what the highest value coupons you received, because on some accounts I did receive a couple of different ones. So that's another coupon. You just want to go through and check your accounts before you start clipping all of them to your account. Alright, next up we have 1 off 1 for the Colgate toothpaste. Well, you can pick up the toothbrush or the mouthwash. These are some pretty high priced items. Even though this is included in instant savings, this coupon, it's not a really good value. So I'm going to pass on clipping this. If you want to clip it to your account, these products start out at $4.25 each. So after the coupon, you would pay $3.25. But I'm going to pass on clipping that one for now. We have 50 cents off too for the Suave body wash. I passed on clipping this one because we did receive a 1 off 2 insert coupon in the Unilever insert last week or the week before, so that one should still be good to go. We have another Safeguard coupon. There's another Loves coupon. We have Baby Ruth. Here's a really good deal and a great filler item for Saturday. So the Baby Ruth singles, they are on sale this week. Buy one, get one 50% off, and they're priced at $1 each. So if you pick up 2 this week with this coupon, you're going to pay 75 cents for 2. Moving on down, we have Microban. We have another Yoplait coupon. We have 3 off 1 for the Colgate Optic White toothpaste. Those are priced at $7. So after the coupon, you're going to pay 4. And again, that is included in instant savings. And we also have 1 off 1 for the Fabuloso All-Purpose Cleaner 128-ounce bottles. So this would last somebody a very long time. So we have, these are priced at $7. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6, and it is included in instant savings. Here's another really good coupon if you guys haven't used it yet. This is one that we received on Thursday, I do believe. So these are priced at $3.50 on the Purex packs. $3.50 after the coupon, you'd pay just $2, but this coupon does expire today. So if you want to use it, make sure you get out to DG today. Alright, Poise 2 off 1. We have 1 off 1 for the Irish Spring products. Again, instant savings. These start out at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We're going to skip over a few of these here. We have Neutrogena, Fiber One. There's another Loves coupon. We have Pull-Ups, Extra Laundry Detergent, Huggies diapers, a 2 off 1. These are priced at $9.95, so after the coupon, you'd pay $7.95. There's another Loves coupon. We have $3 off when you buy 1 Old Spice body wash and 1 Old Spice body spray or the deodorants. This coupon is glitching and it is working if you just want to pick up 2 of the Old Spice body washes at $5 each. Pick up 2, use this coupon, you're going to pay $7 for 2, which is not a bad deal for Old Spice. There's that Pantene coupon I told y'all about, 1 off 1. I'm going to pass on that one. We have 4 off 2 for the Herbal Essences, 2 off 2 for the Oral-B Floss, 1 off 1 for the Cheez-It Puffs. These are priced at $3.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. We have a 5 off 3 for the Pantene. Again, that 4 off 2 is just a better deal, so I'm going to pass on clipping that one. We have 2 off 1 for the Neutrogena. These are priced at $4.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. 2 off 1 for the Olay. $2.50 off 1 for the Clean and Clear products, so those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. And we have our regular Gillette and Secret coupons that we receive every month. So I went ahead and clipped those. We have 1 off 1 for the Citrus Magic Air Fresheners. These are priced at $2.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. Not a bad deal. There's our 3 off 1 for the Tide, 3 off 1 for the Gillette Skin Guard Fusion Pro Glide razors. Now, I'm going to hold off on clipping this one for now because typically P&G will put out a 4-in-1 coupon. So I'm going to hold off for now and see if that 4 off 1 pops up. Alright, we have another secret coupon there. We have 3 off 1 for the Neutrogena Acne products. Those are priced at $7.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.75. We have 4 off 1 for the Schwarzkopf hair color. These are always good to clip to your account just in case a clearance event rolls around. That would be some really good overage. Alright, we have another secret coupon. We have 125 off 1 for the Silk Oat Milk. So these are priced at $3.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. We have Venus and Welly bandages, Prilosec and Depend. We have 2 off 1 for the Dr. Scholl's, 5 off 2 for the Pantene Nutrients. So again, that one doesn't show as attaching to anything in the app, but I'm going to scan a few items at DG and see if it will attach to anything, because that could be a really good deal. Basically a buy one get one free coupon if it would work on the regular Pantene products. Alright, another Gillette coupon there. We have a 3 off 1 for the Old Spice Gentleman's Blend products. So if you want to pick up the deodorant, those are priced at $7. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We have some DG store coupons. So 1 off 1 for the True Living bath tissue or the paper towels. So the bath tissue, 9 mega rolls, those are priced at $6.75. After the coupon, you'd pay $5.75. If you want to pick up the paper towels, it is 6 super rolls for $6.50. After the coupon, you pay $5.50. We have $1.50 off one for the Pampers Splashers, and we also have a 3 off 2 down here. I went ahead and clipped both of those. We have Urban Hydration Castor Oil. That's not showing as attaching to anything in the app for me. We have DG Health Allergy. We also have Powerade, 1 off 4. So those are priced at $1 each. So after the coupon, you'd pay $3 for 4 Powerades. We have ibuprofen. We have True Living trash bags. There's different ones that y'all can choose from. These are priced at $4.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.75. And last but not least, we have 50 cents off one for the Pepto products. If you want to pick up the 12 count, those are priced at $3. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. And we also have 50 cents off one for the True Living Essential Paper Towels, 6 count. Those are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. Alright guys, so that is it for our new Dollar General digital coupons so far, and hopefully the video wasn't too awfully long for you all, and I won't keep you much longer. But before you go, make sure that you do all of the things. If you haven't already, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment down below, and take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.